Hi everyone, welcome back to another table topic for today. The table topic is what is the most important thing you could do right now in your personal life? What is the most important thing you could do right now in your personal life? The most important thing that I could do right now in my life. The reason behind asking these questions is that to force you to think what is the most pressing thing in your life right now. And uh, many times it happens that we keep postponing the important things because we don't want to face that truth. We don't want to face that obstacles in our life, and we keep postponing it, and uh, later we face the outcomes which are not desired. If I talk about myself, that what is the thing that I could do right now in my life, that is health. Health is the most neglected thing in our lives today. And if you just analyze and look around the things that you have been eating, those are full of chemicals. They and what surprised me is that when I talk to doctors, they ask me to not eat packaged foods, and I was really surprised that he's asking me to not eat packaged food, and those packaged food have been and those are approved for eating. And why he's telling me not to eat those kinds of food? And later I found out that the chemicals and all those things are put in place so that the life could be longer for these kinds of product. Then I later happened to stumble on a document which talk about food, like food has become a poison these days. So it's very important that given the kind of the food that is available to us, you can't really avoid eating that. You can try, but it's very difficult to eliminate all these foods because you can't go in like you can't go and grow your own vegetables. It's very hard for most of us. So what I have decided that I would focus on my health. I would find out what are the kind of things that I could avoid, should avoid, and what are the things that I can incorporate in my life so that my long-term health could be better. I also got to know about that people always talk about that the life expectancy has increased a lot in the past few decades, but nobody talks about how healthy you are. Yes, your life expectancy has increased a lot, but how healthy you are, that that's what metric should be. Because of our lifestyle, a lot of things, a lot of poison we put into our body, and uh, that disturbs your body. So that's why I decided that number one priority I would want to make is my health. And I talked about why this is important in today's era. That one message that you guys could take away is that health is very important. It's more important than you think. Just fix your health right now. Thank you.